of Hizbul Mujahideen against Syed Ali Shah Gilani.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Maulana ठीक?
Da alhamdulillah.
क्या हालत है ना?
Yo tekil don varaya zyada.
सोच
हाँ
ये बात ठीक जब खबर खैरियत क्या करो आज हिंदुस्तान पागल गुम
हाँ
वो गो साजा सदर गिनी सब से हजब मामूली
हाँ
पत्थर गिनी सब आज तामत ये टीवी वन मुझसे बैंकुर विंडिकेट सोसाइटी से पोज ये बुत को मानन पिच पोज नहीं करो हिंदुस्तान को जिस गई वापस इन्होंने तावन पगाए
तनिष्क वैसे अक्सर मुखालिफ
बंदा आपके पास अगर इस वो अगर तहरीक बनो अगर कौम बनो अगर लीडर बनो ऐसी आसम मरीना अगेन हिंदुस्तान में अर्थ वार और कौन से ईमान इन्हें सुबह मीटिंग बुलाऊंगा तो गोश मीटिंग
हाँ हाँ
ताकि जो तुमने बात आस नहीं
हाँ
इन्हें सो बोर्ड जवाब से कि उन्हें से एक बुलाई मीटिंग मत रही है
राइन
इनकी मीटिंग बुला पातो ये जो आप जीते से वजह
हाँ
ये वजह से वी डोंट ट्रस्ट इंडिया वी ट्रस्ट आवर कुलीग इतकन रात आर्मी क्या सेना मेडल रात पन्ने जवान
मैं बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली राइट
ताकि डिमोरलाइज गो सोन फोर्सेस गसी कह
बिल्कुल
ये अमिस 3 वरी 5 वरी कंट्रीब्यूशन तहरीक मज लगित डिमोरलाइज न कि जान मार्ग सूरत 15 वरी रुत कोर्मुत कहें आज जमलों पे क्या बल्कि दमा आगे कल सबसे गोरमुत तो ये लगी तो तेरे खान जो शुरू आगे कल सकते
मेरे छो तमें साथ तक पोस्ट आख मैंने सिर्फ आख लाइन बस
हाँ ना वो हाँ ना
लोग पता आज बार का कमेंट करना क्या
बिल्कुल
मगर मैं लोग सोच क्या है मैं तो पूछो बात मगर फोन कर हम है ये टेलीफोन पन्ने जायज मैं तो मैं पन्नों जमीन में पड़ी मर्जी बने क्या कैसे एतराज आके रद्द करू मतलब अगर कमेंट कर तो जवाब ना जरूरत कमेंट करना
तुमने ओतर पे जो सुनी जाए आई नहीं तुम हटाम ना ये आप क्या मानो मतलब उसी की गुगल मीटिंग से मीटिंग दूसरी जांचने की एम्पैथ है कि इस वजह से क्या वन मीडिया मीडिया जो तूत गिविंग खिलाफ खानदान खिलाफ
हाँ बिल्कुल
सारे खिलाफ तूत वोमुत एकदम है ना बाया यह मीडिया कर ट्रस्ट की साजिश अगर सो साजिश नईम खान क्या करो तो चार्ज पृथुन पत हे वन पे मोन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बोजा बस हिंदुस्तान चलान माटर बस टैंक चलान 50,000 मिनटन इंडिया के तमाम मीडिया पे लाइव नईम खान तहरीक स्टार्ट कर त्रो सटिस हिंदुस्तान तक पत वन ज्यादा खुद ज्यादा वोन तम रात दुश्मन सल्यूट आप मे सोच कह लड़ाई कर सोच बिलाल लोन सोच गनीमत तम वो रात नईम खान वोन
कत कर
ना सोर पे दोपन नईम खान रात वो मे बोल पान की मेरी कुलीग वन सोर पे ETV पे वोनमुत नईम खान कुलीग ये वोन तमसे भरोस कर इंडियन मीडिया भरोस कर लड़ाई कर मगर मे बसान वो शबीर खान जन कबर रटमुत अच्छा पत् वोनमुत गिलनी हता गिलनी वो ये सात क्या NIA वो NIA से कत कर तमे सात में अखबार बोला फोन कर मैंने गिलनी ने चला बयान सो ये सात अगर तहरीक से ये सात में हिंदुस्तान NIA से दर ये निश पी कड़ा कुर्सी नबर दमान फना कर गो पूरी नबरा मरिन खच कर कुर्बानी का पत गो तम लोकल मीडिया तथ मज गो ओवर शेडो गो गिलिंग तक सुई हेड
बिल्कुल सदर गए
तकलीफ मा मतलब पत वो अमी सात बैक स्टैबिंग कर सात नाजुक बोल सात पूरे हिंदुस्तान शिवार NIA तमाम तहरीक मे वो कमो नेगेटिव कमेंट फेसबुक पे तुम शहीद नजर वो या तुम वही TDP या NCS तुंद आव खिलाफ
بالکل
تحریک پسندن ہند آو یم میون ناو زان تحریک پسند ہے تم آئی ڈفرنٹ
بالکل
اچھا تک برعکس وچ یہ حال ام سا یہ کس تحریک گئی یمن سے پلیز سپرٹ یہ رات سینا میڈل دتک صرف ام خاطر کہ ڈیمورلائز گوس سون جوان گھن کی ات میں قانونی انٹرنیشنل لا کن انڈین کانسٹیوشن کن ام دہ پلیز
بالکل
بہت دپان یمن تھے صرف 15 ؤری تھی اب تمن کتھ پلیز سپرٹ
پولیس سپرٹ کیا تمس بنیادی غرض یوتان بہت توتان میون تمہ پتہ گو میون خاندان لہذا گھر بیٚیہِ کانٛہہ زندٕ روزُن کینٛہہ مسلہٕ گژھِ حل
اگر بہٕ ونان بہٕ الطاف فنتوش ما صرف زامتُے یوت الطاف فنتوش شوروٗک نمبر گیلی سُہ ما تٔمِس کٔرٕن نہٕ نوٹسا کینٛہہ 2010 منٛز کِتھ کٔنۍ آو نہٕ گِنٛدٕنۍ مطلب اگر وۄنۍ بہٕ یِہوے پینڈورا باکس کھولہٕ
یہ کھولمُت لوٗکو ژٕ کھول کیٛاہ مسلہٕ چھُ لوٗکو کھولمُت
بہٕ چھُس اگر مثال مطلب اگر کھولو ییٚتہِ کَرٮ۪س نہٕ جِنازے کانٛہہ کنٹروؤرشل بنہِ صرف یِنس زیادٕ سے زیادٕ پنٕنۍ رِشتہٕ دار
بہٕ چھُس کران عرض ژٕ پینڈورا باکس کھول تہِ یا مت کھول لوٗکو چھُ کھولمُت یہِ وٕنکیٚس چھُ أڑۍ ژےٚ خلاف أڑۍ ژےٚ سۭتۍ أڑۍ ہُمِس خلاف أڑۍ تٔمِس سۭتۍ مگر یُس بُنیٲدی مقصد تہٕ مُدعا اوس وٕنکیٚس چھُنہٕ سُہ کُنہِ جایہِ وٕچھوان کینٛہہ وٕنکیٚس چھُ یس یا نو یس یا نو جناب علی صاحب یس سر ہی از رائٹ ہی از رانگ
اچھا تُہۍ سُہ رات اوس مےٚ لیوٗکھمُت أمۍ مےٚ سُہ ماجد حیدری ژےٚ پوٚرتھٕ سُہ
نہ نہ مےٚ چھُ اَسہِ نٮ۪برٕے چلان ییٚتہِ
تٔمۍ کیٛاہ چھُ تٔمۍ چھُ ووٚنمُت سُہ ییٚلہِ مےٚ ہسا بچو پنُن پان این آئی اے نِش تھوٚوُن خۄش میٛٲنۍ خان کوٚرُن قۄربان لیوٗکھمُت کیٛاہ تھام او ویب سایٹ چھِ کیٛاہ تھام کیٛاہ ڈیلی او
اچھا ڈیلی
ماجد حیدری سُہ پَر سُہ چھُ یہِ پَرُن لایق
اَسہِ چھُنہٕ ییٚتہِ نیٹٕے چلان وٕچھ اَسہِ چھُنہٕ نیٹ چلان کینٛہہ مےٚ چھُ انٹرنیٹ یہِ ایرٹل کنیکشن تہٕ اَتھ منٛز چھُنہٕ نیٹٕے چلان
وۄنۍ اوسُس بہٕ دوٚیِم صوٗرت وَنان پَنٕنۍ پٲٹھۍ اگر تٔمِس بِلال صٲبَس تہِ وَنان دوٚپُس کم سے کم سٹیٹمنٹ اِنڈین میٖڈیاہَس خلاف تُہۍ مےٚ ووٚن تَتھ سۭتی کَتھ مےٚ گوٚو کیٛاہ تُہۍ چھُوا خبر ٲسمٕژ وٕنہِ چھُس پانہٕ کھڑا مٲدانَس منٛز وٕنہِ پیوٚوُس نہٕ بہٕ کینٛہہ تہٕ تۄہہِ کیٛازِ گوٚو صٲبَس خبر ژیر ما گِنٛدٕنی آسہِ کم سے کم کٔرِو تُہۍ تہِ کٔرِو پنٛنٮ۪ن میٖڈیا اگر مےٚ سپوٹ کٔرِو اِنڈین میٖڈیاہَس ؤنِو تُہۍ چھِو غلط کران
بہٕ چھُس گرِ تھوڑا آوُر مےٚ لگہِ گنٹہٕ کھنٛڈ ییٚتہِ اِنشاء اللہ 10 بجے نیرٕ سرینگر خٲطرٕ اِنشاء اللہ بِلال صٲبَس سمکھٕ باقٕے باقٕے وۄنۍ کاربار کرُن چھُ گنٹہٕ کھنٛڈ
نظر تھاوو بہٕ تہِ یژھان ژٕ کھس تہِ شہر
اِنشاء اللہ بہٕ کھسہٕ شہر حظ اِنشاء اللہ
چلو اللہ بیٚیہِ کرا اللہ تعالیٰ کیٛاہ دوٗر
کرو سۭتی اِنشاء اللہ کھسہٕ شہر حظ
Naeem Khan can be seen complaining to the terror outfit Hizbul Mujahideen about Gilani and how he has been doing what he has been over the last many years only for his family, sacrificing the common Kashmiris and even his own colleagues.
Okay, on the debate tonight, we have with us Sudhanshu Trivedi of the BJP RSN Singh, Strategic Affairs Expert, Fawad Halim of the CPM, Afzal Abbas, leader of the JDU, Bhim Singh of the Jammu and Kashmir National Panthers Party, and Irfan of his loan, who's been shouting at this morning whenever I ask him a straight question, I don't know why. Now, I must just say this before this, I am zapped today. I'm zapped. I'm completely zapped. And viewers, if you've been watching Republic, are you feeling zapped as well? All day today, politicians are running away. They should be celebrating. Look at Omar Abdullah, he's been running and now he's going and complaining to the organizers of this event, saying Republic TV is asking me questions, why aren't you stopping them? Omar Abdullah, stop being a school kid bully. You are being asked questions. Let's listen to the way in which the questions are being asked and let's listen to how he runs away from us. Let's look at this man. Both sequences.
In a major crackdown, NIA has raided the terror proxies of
Not
Pakistan.
right now.
Why don't
Not
you take
right
a
now.
position on this now? NIA has raided terror proxies of Pakistan. Why don't you take a position? Would you apologize? NIA has cracked down and has raided terror proxies of Pakistan. Mr. Abdullah. Mr. Omar, why are you silent on this issue of NIA raids? It concerns your friends, sir. Mr. Omar, why are you silent? Mr. Omar, why are you silent on this issue? It concerns your friends, sir. Why are you silent? Why are you jittery, Mr. Omar? Why don't you take a position?
Okay, now let's play Nitish Kumar. Let's play Nitish Kumar next. We also have Nitish Kumar. And we'll play, you know, when you look at the pictures of Omar Abdullah, you think about a man who's just a Twitter chief minister, not one word on Twitter today. Debate में आने से पहले मैं एक बार फिर नीतीश कुमार का रिएक्शन दिखाना चाहता हूं लोगों को, किस तरह से लोग भाग रहे हैं. ये देखिए, let's look at this.
Oh, whatever I had to say, I have spoken in the meeting. Please. I have come here to attend DMK.
It's a very important issue.
Not a single word. Yeah, why are all these? What is happening among the political? What do you mean, oho? What does Nitish Kumar mean by oho? We are asking him a question there, Afzal Abbas. Serious सवाल पूछ रहे हैं उनको हम कि ये इतना बड़ा टेरर क्रैकडाउन हुआ है कश्मीर पे, उसमें ओहो का क्या मतलब है? इंडियन पॉलिटिशियन है, भारत के प्रधानमंत्री बनना चाहते हैं नीतीश कुमार. ये ओहो किस तरह का रिस्पॉन्स है उनका?
देखिए इससे पहले लगता है
नहीं, what does he mean oho? What does he mean oho? Why can't he stop for a second and say I support this massive crackdown by the security forces against the Pakistani agents? No, why can't Nitish Kumar say that? क्यों नहीं कह सकते?
अर्नव जी सबसे पहले पार्टी का स्टैंड पहले क्लियर है. उन्होंने पहले कई बार कह चुके हम देश के साथ है, आवाम के साथ है, भारत की अखंडता और एकता के लिए वो हमेशा बोलते रहे. इसलिए उन्होंने कहा होगा कि बार बार इसको रिपीट करने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. मैं जहां तक एनआईए की बात है तो उस पर उंगली उठाने
आज बहुत आवश्यकता है, बहुत आवश्यकता है.
वो हमेशा बोलते रहे हम देश के साथ है, पार्टी.
मैं भीम सिंह को पूछना चाहता हूं,
वो हमेशा बोलते रहे.
मैं भीम सिंह को पूछना चाहता हूं कि हुर्रियत के खिलाफ ये जो बड़ी कार्रवाई हुई है उसके साथ ये भी देखा गया है कि जितने टेररिस्ट ग्रुप्स हैं उनके सपोर्टर्स हैं उन सबको एक एक करके एक्सपोज किया जा रहा है. तो मुझे लगता है हर भारतीय राजनेता को इसके खिलाफ बोलने की बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरत है. आपको क्या लगता है आज ओमर अब्दुल्ला चुप क्यों हैं? भीम सिंह जी
देखिए, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि भारत का कानून जो है, भारत का संविधान जो है, दुनिया में, विश्व में, nowhere in the world they have constitution which guarantees fundamental right to every citizen, and Jammu and Kashmir, people of Jammu and Kashmir have not been granted those fundamental rights.
What rubbish?
Because Constitution of India
what fundamental
is
rights?
not applicable
What fundamental
to me.
rights
That
have
is
been
my
denied?
tragedy.
What fundamental rights have been denied? What are you talking about? Is it a conspiracy of silence by the political opposition because you are afraid that their incompetence to handle issues of national interest and home security has been exposed?
Read Article 370. Understand? Read Article 370. 370 says Parliament cannot make any law on Jammu and Kashmir. Read 370. 370 says that Jammu and Kashmir is not under the control of legislation
I'm
made
sorry,
by
I'll
the
get
Parliament.
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Read Article 370.
I forget
Your
Article 370. 370 तो remove कर देना चाहिए बहुत पहले. Uniform Civil Code के साथ I strongly believe that Article 370 Article 370 should be abrogated. My question here is right now, you have to decide, Mr. Bhim Singh, if you're with India or you're not with India. That's a simple question here. I want Sudhanshu Trivedi to come in on this debate. Every political party, the entire opposition...
I am Indian. You were not born when I was Indian. We have fought for India. India is my country. I have fought for India. We are all Indian. Jammu and Kashmir people. Sheikh Abdullah carried Article 370 1946 in the presence of Nehru and Lal.
Well, Mr. Bhim Singh, you are a very senior man. You are a very senior man. I don't want to raise my voice with you. But if required, I will, Mr. Bhim Singh. I'm just being very respectful to you because you're a senior man. I want Sudhanshu Trivedi to respond to this. But one thing that the NIA raids today have proven is one thing, that if there is political will, agar rajneetik सूझबूझ है, agar Mr. Bhim Singh, if there is Mr. Bhim Singh, with firmness I will tell you that if there is political will to act against terror, nothing can stop India. The Congress did not do it. That doesn't mean the BJP doesn't do it. The BJP should have done it earlier in the Vajpayee government.
First of all,
And Mr. Bhim Singh,
You should apply
Mr. Bhim
Constitution of India to me.
Mr. Bhim Singh.
Give the fundamental right to the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
Mr. Bhim Singh,
And then
Mr. Bhim
talk
Singh,
of
don't make a
terror.
political speech.
Your
Don't make a
constitution
political
is not
speech. Sudhanshu
applicable to
Trivedi
me.
is responding to you.
Your tricolor flag is not applicable
You
in
are
my
compelling
state.
me to say one thing. You are compelling me to say one thing. That Gilani के बारे में सब लोग जानते हैं कितना पैसा खाया उन्होंने, उनका मॉरल कैरेक्टर किस तरह का है, 2002 में कितने पैसे लूटे थे उन्होंने, कितने डॉक्यूमेंट मिले थे, और लोगों को ये भी पता है। भीम सिंह जी मुझे मेरा मुंह मत खुलवाइए, मैं बहुत कुछ बोल दूंगा, मैं बहुत कुछ बोल दूंगा भीम सिंह जी, अनकंफर्टेबल बात कह दूंगा, अनकंफर्टेबल बात कह दूंगा। इन 2005 में कह ही दूं, 2005 में मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग की केस फाइल हुई थी शब्बीर शाह के खिलाफ।
जी।
तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ पिछले 12 सालों में? क्यों नहीं हुआ कुछ? क्यों नहीं हुआ कुछ? जनाब बताइए, सुधांशु त्रिवेदी को
बताइए कि आपने आज तक आपका हिंदुस्तान का झंडा,
आपका हिंदुस्तान का क्या मतलब है?
आज तक आपने
आपका हिंदुस्तान, आप क्या मतलब है आपका हिंदुस्तान?
आपने
भीम सिंह जी, आप क्या मतलब है आपका हिंदुस्तान? आप प्लीज या तो आप ये ऐसे मत बोलिए, या फिर नेशनल पैंथर्स पार्टी से नेशनल का नाम निकाल दीजिए। यू कांट बी अ नेशनल पार्टी टॉकिंग एंटी नेशनल लैंग्वेज। सुधांशु त्रिवेदी कुछ कहना चाहते हैं आपको?
I'm Indian. You have not given me.
With due respect to Mr. Bhim Singh, who is a very senior leader, who is more concentrating on the technical and constitutional issues.
मैं 1 साल जेल रहा हिंदुस्तान का झंडा उठाने में। मुझे ये बताइए कि आपने धारा 370 लगा के
सम्मान करते हैं और
जम्मू कश्मीर में तिरंगा झंडा नहीं, मेरा झंडा अलग क्यों है? मेरा संविधान अलग क्यों है जम्मू कश्मीर?
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप?
यू आर टेलिंग मी।
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? राजनीतिक स्पीच दे रहे मेरे प्रोग्राम पर भीम सिंह जी।
मैं बोल सकता हूं क्या?
राजनीतिक स्पीच मत दीजिए। मैं बहुत ही पोलाइटली आपसे कह रहा हूं। I want to ask you,
Arnav, whatever Mr. Bhim Singh is saying.
Bhim Singh, wait. Bhim Singh, wait. Sudhanshu Trivedi is responding to you. The issue today is the fight against terrorism, Mr. Bhim Singh. The fight against terrorism will not be possible against the funding of
whatever
terrorist
Mr. Bhim Singh is saying, with due respect to him, having full regard for his seniority and his political experience, I would like to say that he is more concentrating on constitutional and legal aspects than the more serious problem today, which is more serious for national security. अरे भीम सिंह जी, मैं एक बात कह लूं, मैं आपसे अदब से कहना चाहता हूं, एक बात कह लें, आपने बड़ी अच्छी बात कही झंडे की बात, तो मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि भाई ये जितने लोग,
आप क्यों नहीं, मुझे झंडा दीजिए।
मैं कहना चाहता हूं जो लोग ये तथाकथित आजादी की बात करते हैं ना, ये बताइए उनकी आपने लड़ाई में अर्णव कभी कश्मीर का झंडा देखा है? झंडा ISIS का लगाएंगे, झंडा पाकिस्तान का लगाएंगे, और खामखा में ये बात कहेंगे कि कश्मीर की आजादी की लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं। एंड नाउ टुडे इट इज एक्सपोज्ड दैट दे आर नॉट ओनली गेटिंग सपोर्ट एंड इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम अक्रॉस द बॉर्डर, बट आल्सो गेटिंग मनी फ्रॉम अक्रॉस द बॉर्डर।
हिंदुस्तान के संविधान
एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली दोस लीडर्स व्हिच हैव बीन शोन ऑन योर टेलीविजन,
आपने मेरा झंडा लगा, आपने ये हिंदुस्तान की पार्लियामेंट है,
बात कह ली तो मैं आगे बात करूं।
इज रिस्पांसिबल, व्हाई सेपरेट फ्लैग फॉर मी, व्हाई सेपरेट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉर मी? When my Maharaja Hari Singh acceded to the Union of India, आज तक आपने जम्मू कश्मीर को भारत से इंटेग्रेट क्यों नहीं किया? Read Article 370 of your constitution and tell me. I have lived for Indian constitution. My father had died for Indian constitution. We are working. Our people of Jammu and Kashmir are not against constitution, but you have not given to me. You have denied. You have deprived.
This has no relevance to our ongoing debate. I'm sorry. Let's go back to the debate. Let's go back to the debate. One second. Then it's Sudhanshu Trivedi subject पे आते हैं. Sudhanshu Trivedi subject पे आते हैं.
That it is not possible because it was the only state at the time of unification of India in which Nehruji was taking too much interest. Now we are coming to present subject. Coming to today's subject.
And Fuad Halim on the other side.
Today the raid of NIA.
unification.
We are discussing today's raid. Sir, आज के raid के बारे में debate हो रहा है sir. जरा subject पे आ जाए please. Focus रखें. Fuad Halim, Suniye, please listen to Sudhanshu Trivedi and then respond. I have a question for you also.
So, now it is categorically becoming clear that they are getting money from abroad. But it is very unfortunate that the leaders which have been shown on your television, whether it is Omar Abdullah or Nitish Kumar, they were refrained from saying anything. And you remember, whenever there is an issue related to those who are accused of terror, on the issue of Afzal Guru, they jump in and say, वो तो हालात का मारा था. याकूब मेनन, उसकी तो जुडिशियल किलिंग हो गई थी. And Nitish Kumar ji, Ishrat Jahan, बिहार की बेटी थी. And on the issue of NIA raids, you are saying, oh ho, and Omar Abdullah is mum. He's unable to speak a single word. This shows the sheer hypocrisy of their character in the name of democracy. When you are watching that those who are traders of terror, and you were portraying them as a legitimate stakeholder in the democratic consultation process.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, what do you have to say about the CPIM, which issued a statement attacking the Indian Army in the case of Major Litul Gogoi, and today they are completely quiet. They are on a weekend holiday. Not a single word has come out from them on such a major event. You remember their leader Sitaram Yechury hanging outside, telling that Pakistani Gilani ek cup chai de dijiye without any sense of self-respect. Now my question is, what would you say to the CPIM today, Sudhanshu Trivedi?
Yes. As far as CPIM is concerned,
yes.
Arnav, we cannot say anything because there is student union wings in all over universities in which they are having presence. They used to raise slogan Kashmir मांगे आजादी और लड़ाई होगी कश्मीर की आजादी तक नहीं भारत की बर्बादी तक. For CPIM, my question is, why these type of slogans are only raised in those universities in which the left dominance is there? Whether it is JNU or Jadavpur. Why not in the other universities which are excelling in the academics and other things? So they are having a particular ideology from 42 Quit India movement to supporting of the partition in 47 to supporting China in 62, one faction of Communist Party, and opposing
but
the
why are they quiet today?
Pokhran explosion.
But why do you think they are quiet today? I'm wondering
emergency.
today. I'm wondering today why the CPIM is so quiet today. It doesn't say a single word. You know, yesterday they suspended a leader because the person had an expensive pen. They said the lifestyle was too much. And yes, they have every right to act against people for if they feel the person is committing any kind of moral turpitude. But I think the greatest moral turpitude that any individual can commit is speak against
Srinagar. And we were not holding talks with Hurriyat. Then why Sitaram Yechury has gone to talk to Hurriyat? The Communist Party was the only national party whose representative on its own and gone to meet Hurriyat. अरे आप कहिए क्या आप उसे पाकिस्तान के दलालों से बात करने के लिए जा रहे थे? और आप
जवाब दीजिए।
आप क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं।
आप डिफेंड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं ना?
करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
भाग जा रहे हैं।
इस पे जानते क्या चीज लागू होती है? No, I don't want to say that thing literally, but there is a proverb in Hindi जो कहता है उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे. अरे गए थे आप हुर्रियत का साथ देने के लिए, वो जो पैसा लेके टेरर का ट्रेड करते हैं और ऊपर से आप डिमोनेटाइजेशन और जाने कहां
मैं थोड़ा इत्मीनान से
बेसिक फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चन इज वेदर यू आर फॉर हुर्रियत और नॉट. Say just or no. If you say no, you tender an apology. Why Sitaram Yechury has gone there?
I want to ask. Sudhanshu Trivedi, आप बुरा न माने तो please, Fuad, जरा one sec. First, little on a lighter note, and Fuad, sometimes relax, you'll get high blood pressure. I'm just a lighter note. I was wondering, Fuad, मैं सोच रहा था, सुनिए ना कभी, सुनिए. I was thinking, what kind of chai does Mr. Yechury prefer? Kashmiri chai or Darjeeling chai? It must be Kashmiri chai. That is why the CPM failed completely in Bengal. In Yechury asked for Kashmiri chai at Gilani's house. Anyway, I want to ask you on a serious note, can you please tell me that when the Chinese who you loved, आप communist है ना, pseudo communist है at least, reactionary communist है, actual communist नहीं है. I want to know from you. I want to know from you, Fuad. I will tell you about China. I'll tell you about China. Listen to me. The nation wants to know today, Fuad Ali, from you. The nation wants to know that when China carried out, when China stopped separatism in Xinjiang, when China stopped separatism in Xinjiang province, what did you say? Was there one statement from you?
Arnab,
You are quiet.
the Kashmir
Tell
funding
me.
group,
You
I just want
abuse
to
your
know,
Indian.
did
You abuse
Narendra
India,
Modi
but you
know
are.
about it on
You
the
abuse
8th of
India, but you
November?
support the Chinese. Tell me.
On the
Did you issue
8th
a
of
statement on
November,
Xinjiang?
did Narendra
No,
Modi
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
know? Did he have any
Sudhanshu
knowledge
Trivedi
as to
once
how
was
the
RSN.
how
RSN.
funding
Let's catch
enters into the Indian
Fuad
system?
red-handed today.
I'm just asking that simple
In
question.
ma'am, I'm asking a simple question also.
Muslims were
No, you would like to
Okay,
catch me.
Sudhanshu is responding.
The Prime Minister is caught out today. His own agency is caught out today. That the Prime Minister had no idea what he was talking about on the 8th of November when he said terror funding is going to put to an end with demonetization. The Prime Minister was pulling the wool across the eyes of all the citizens of India. And the second question, the 8 Hawala people that the NIA has raided, why 8? The NIA can raid all of the Hawala.
अरे वो क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में, क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, आप बहुत मुहावरे जानते हैं, आपको पूछना चाहूंगा, ये बहुत ही कंफ्यूज है, ये क्या कहते हैं वो हिंदी में, वो क्या कहते हैं, आप तू इधर उधर की बात न कर, नहीं ये क्या है स्टेटमेंट, तू इधर उधर की बात न कर,
एक लाइन बता देता हूँ,
वो 8 हवाले वाले के जगह
तू इधर उधर की न बात कर, बता कि कारवां क्यों लूटा, मुझे रह जनों से गिला नहीं, तेरी रहबरी का सवाल है।
गुड वन,
क्यों हुर्रियत की रहबरी कर रहे थे,
टोटली कंफ्यूज,
इसलिए आप डिमोनेटाइजेशन से लेके और प्राइम मिनिस्टर तक और इधर उधर लेके चाइना तक मत भागिए। फिर मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ वो लाइन, हलीम साहब भाग आप रहे हैं, कभी लेफ्ट कभी राइट कभी नॉर्थ कभी साउथ, मगर जवाब नहीं दे रहे हैं।
आप और अर्नब साहब भाग जा रहे थे चीन, हम यहाँ पर है। आप
अरे भाई आप कभी पीएम में भाग रहे हैं,
बोलिए
कभी डिमोनेटाइजेशन में भाग रहे हैं। In your entire statement, you have not spoken a single word about your relation and Hurriyat. Mr. Sitaram Yechuri is meeting with Hurriyat. No sentence.
I'm asking you. RSN Singh, मैं RSN सिंह को बुलाना चाहूंगा डिबेट पर। ओके फुआद, ये रनिंग कमेंट्री क्रिकेट, 2 मिनट रुक जाइए। Don't give me a running commentary. There are other panelists on the program. There are other panelists. They also want a chance to speak. RSN, tell me one thing. I asked so many specific questions. Why is Fuad sounding confused? And why do you think people like Irfan Hafiz Loan and the others are looking so nervous today? I want you to address Irfan Hafiz Loan. Through the entire evening, he's looking very nervous. You see the funding, the Pakistani funding RSN for the Hurriyat has stopped. But Irfan Hafiz Loan, why is Irfan Loan nervous, RSN? Can you explain it please to people? Yeah.
I don't want to be interrupted, and as far as the CPM spokesperson is concerned, you know, in Indian classical music what happens is that when a tabla player does not understand a sitar player, what he does is, you know, he starts playing a very fast and thumping rhythm, you know, and then thinking that people don't understand. I mean, so that we know all these techniques, you know. But let me tell you, the intercept of the conversation that you showed. You showed that how the Hurriyat and the militant organizations like Hizbul Mujahideen are one. Even during Burhan Wani's, you know, after his killing, the intercepts were released and it showed those links. Now what has happened today, and I am really surprised. Today what has happened is that here were, you know, Hurriyat leaders who had links with Pakistan, who were drawing money from there, finances from there, distributing it to young boys to carry out, you know, stone pelting and coordinating, insurgency in Kashmir. Now, if this link has been broken, I don't know why the politicians are so nervous. I'm not able to understand.
Neither can
but I can guess that they were part of the larger industry.
Yeah.
You know what? Yes, you know what argument they used to send? That why we should talk to Hurriyat. They used to sell this argument कि हुर्रियत का लिंक पाकिस्तान से भी है और हुर्रियत का लिंक मिलिटेंट से भी है, इसलिए इनको prop up करके रखो. And you are looking for a solution of Kashmir. In In this framework, you were looking for a solution for Kashmir. And let me tell you, you know, in the hindsight, now I understand, if this PDP, BJP government was not there, if it had only been, you know, like the governments in the past, let me tell you, the mainstream political parties of the valley would have never allowed this happen because they were part of the industry.
Irfan Lone on the left.
Runs from Kashmir to Bihar to Kerala. And
yes.
And
Anab, please stop this man.
Gilani is a global jihadi. And Bhim Singh sir,
Anab, now please allow me.
I have a lot of respect for you.
Anab, please allow me.
Sir, sorry to say, with age,
It is not
with
true.
age, sir,
No personal comments, no personal
We are
comments.
on Republic. Please. Anab, can I come in?
Yes.
Arnab, can I come in? Yes, Arnab, my humble submission to you is please don't allow Mr. RSN Singh to use derogatory language. And those, he suffers from dementia, mental case. And those who call others bastard and pig, in fact, they look like pigs.
Not on this program.
And do possess pig
He has not said that, and no personal comments are being made on the program, and I'm not allowing it.
I use that word,
He looks like a pig. He looks like a pig. He do possess pig traits, character.
No personal comments.
He's a mental case. Honestly, I'm telling you, he's a mental case.
SOB, you...
Stop it! I'm taking this off. I'm taking this off.
On this channel.
Hold your tongue.
I'm going off this. I'm coming back to you when
I
you use proper language.
Hold your
I'm coming
tongue.
back to you when you use proper language. No, sorry. Both of you stop. I'm going to Fuad Halim and Sudhanshu Trivedi. I will not allow personal abuse on the program.
No,
at no cost. At no cost. I will delete this later. I will not allow it. I will not allow it. No personal abuse. Personal abuse will not be allowed. Now the question is, please answer my question. Fuad Halim, when China carried out atrocities in Xinjiang province to crush secessionism, did the CPIM issue a single statement? Since you regularly issue statements against the Indian army, many viewers are asking this question. They want to understand what your thinking is. Sudhanshu Trivedi, it's a relevant question, no? Because people say you are sold out to the Chinese. Did you issue a single statement against human rights violations in Xinjiang province?
Thank you for asking that question, Arnab.
Yes. Even one. Can you show it to me?
Thank you, Arnab, for asking that question.
Show me your statement.
Primarily, I would like to tell you that,
show me a statement.
We don't need to react to everything in the world.
So you don't need to react to that.
And number two,
No, you don't need to react to that, but you must...
on the issue at hand. For example,
Sudhanshu Trivedi is responding. Sudhanshu Trivedi is responding to you. He says we don't need to react when the Chinese are killing their own people.
Sudhanshu Trivedi doesn't want to discuss black money entering into the valley.
He says...
Sudhanshu Trivedi doesn't want to discuss black money entering on the basis of which activities are organized. He wants to go to China. Let him go to China. I want to go to Kashmir. Arnab, I want to restrict myself to Kashmir. That's your
Arnab, I ask you a little easy question.
Now, coming to the fact in the valley,
I will just put one fact. You remember during the 1962 China war, the Communist Party, a section of Communist Party was supporting China. They were saying that Chinese army should come here. This was your stand in 62 China war. And at the same time, 62 China war, RSS, forget about Johnson, RSS has supported the Indian army and Jawaharlal Nehru has appreciated it. But ये एक डिफरेंस था कि 62 की चीन की लड़ाई में आप दुश्मन देश के साथ खड़े थे और हम तमाम विरोधों के बावजूद संघ के लोगों ने इतनी मदद की थी कि जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने तारीफ की 65 की पाकिस्तान की वॉर में लाल बहादुर शास्त्री ने तारीफ की जवाब दे दीजिए ना
लेट्स गो बैक टू द सब्जेक्ट एट हैंड
चाइना का सपोर्ट किया
लेट्स गो बैक टू द सब्जेक्ट एट हैंड Okay, you don't want to talk about Tibet, you don't want to talk about Xinjiang. Let's go back to the core issue. Let's go back to the core issue. Let's go back to the core issue. See, we have always believed. One second.
आप सरकार पक्ष से ये जवाब दीजिए, अगर सरकारी जो एजेंसी है, वो 8 8 जो हवाले
आप एक जवाब दीजिए ना, हुर्रियत के साथ हैं या नहीं?
डिमोनेटाइजेशन
नंबर 2, आप आज की रेट का समर्थन करते हैं या
क्यों नहीं
नहीं?
पकड़ रहे हैं?
आई एम आस्किंग यू सर,
क्यों इतना शर्माए हुए हैं हवाला सिस्टम का कमर तोड़ने के लिए?
चैंपियंस ऑफ सेक्युलरिज्म,
आप क्यों इतना शर्मा रहे हैं?
Bhim Singh in the middle.
आप क्यों सैक्रोसेंट कर रहे हैं? बाकी सब
You
हवाला
define
वाले
what is the
लोगों को।
Hurriyat
हवाला
or who is the Hurriyat or how many Hurriyat are there?
काम में आएगा।
No, one sec. Bhim Singh is asking a counter question to you. One second. Bhim Singh is asking a counter question to you, Sudhanshu Trivedi. Listen to Bhim Singh,
Yes,
please.
sir.
A counter question will be allowed. Yes, Bhim Singh, go ahead. You ask your question to Sudhanshu Trivedi directly.
Yeah, thank you. Can you define how many Hurriyat are there in Jammu and Kashmir, and what is the ideology or commitment of each Hurriyat, and what is the nationality of each Hurriyat leader? Is there any foreigner or Pakistani in Hurriyat? What are they fighting for? What each group in Hurriyat party is asking for? We had today gathered here with an idea that we give a message to the people of entire valley and Jammu and Kashmir state, how peace can be restored, peace can be gained. That's why I join you. Let's all join hands and contribute our best how peace can be restored. And one thing, with one Indian flag and one constitution,
Mr. Bhim Singh, it will also be a relevant question here.
Yes, sir.
I agree with you, one Indian flag issue, I completely agree with you.
Yes, sir.
I agree with you completely. One flag, one country, one nation, one flag. I agree with you. One law.
And one constitution.
One constitution and one law. I agree with you on all of that. And I do believe, Mr. Bhim Singh, if this BJP government does not do it, if the BJP government does not do it,
sir, I have not been given fundamental right.
Bhim Singh,
I just want to say one sentence.
No, Sudhanshu
to Mr. Bhim Singh. Bhim Singh ji must be remembering that our founder, President Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, was the first martyr in independent India, that too for the cause of Kashmir. And you rest assured that in 21st century, it is under BJP's rule that all those anomalies will be taken care of.
21st century,
which is the integral part of India, will come to the national mainstream.
You need vote. You are only contesting for vote, for power, not for integration of India. If you were fighting for integration of India, declare from the parliament tomorrow that Article 370 is abolished or amended. One constitution, one flag, and fundamental right to meet the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Give us your fundamental right in Chapter 3 of the Constitution of India. There shall be peace in Kashmir.
No. I only want Sudhanshu Trivedi to respond to this. Yes. I think Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Bhim Singh ji.
Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, Bhim Singh is. एक बात कहूँगा Sudhanshu Trivedi. एक बात कहूँगा Sudhanshu Trivedi. Bhim Singh is reminding you of your promise to. They have trapped terror backers. It will break the funding backbone of India's troublemakers.